Hello folks, it's Yusuf here. It is from Yusuf Academy. It is math as supposed to be program. It's a math for GCSE and IGCSE students, course 9 to 1. Today we are going to talk about fractions. In this program we are going to see what meant by simplifying the fractions, adding fractions, subtracting fraction, multiplying fraction, dividing fraction, proper fraction, improper fractions, and how to convert fractions to decimals. Yeah, okay, let's say if we have 12 over 30, yeah, if you ask us to simplify these fractions, it means we have to make it as a simplest form. Yeah, to make this as a simplest form, if we divide this by 3, yeah, divide by 3 by 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 30 divided by 3 is 10. Can we divide again by 2? Yes, it will be 2 over 5. This is the most simplified fraction. Yeah, okay. For example, without using the calculator, find the values of the letters. For example, if we have a fraction 3/4 equals c over 16. To get the value of c, okay, what did we do to the 4 to become 16? Some will say we multiplied by 4. So the rule of fraction, if you multiply the denominator, the number in the bottom, we call it denominator, and the number on the top, we call it numerator. If we multiplied the denominator by 4, we have to multiply this by 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 3 times 4 equals 12. That means c equals 12. So the fraction is 12 over 16. Is that okay? Okay. Another one, if we have 12 divided by 30. 12, no. If we, not that one, 7 over 12, yeah, equals 35 divided by g. What is g? Okay, so it's similar. We have the numerator here, automatically became 35. How that happened? What did we do to the 7 to be 35? That it seems to me is being multiplied by 5. 7 times 5, 35. If we multiply in the top by 5, we have to multiply in the bottom by 5. So 12 times 5 equal g. That will lead to g is equal. What's 12 times 5? Someone is telling me it is 60. Yeah, so g is equal 60. Okay, we have another examples. Let us clear the screen. We have an example here. It's saying express the fraction 24 over 30 as a fraction in its lowest term. Lowest term, it means the simplest ever. Yeah, so what we do, you remember in section 1 we did the 24 is 2 times 3, and 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. Yeah, if the 2 cancel 2, and we have 3 will cancel 3. Is there anything will cancel here? No. So the answer 2 times 2 is 4 and over 5. That is the simplest or the lowest term. Let's have another one. 8 over 10. As well from section 1, prime factors. What is 8? 8 divided by 2 is equal 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal 2, and 2, it will be 2 times 2 times 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal 5, yeah? So we have 2, cancel 2, and we have here as well 4 over 5. So that is the way it works, yeah? It's similar, but in the end of the day, this is the way we can make the fraction, yeah? Someone is telling me, answer this question. If we have, for example, 7 over 100, 7 over 180, 70 over 180, 82, yeah? Okay. Put it in the simplest form. Let's grab a line from here to make a very beautiful, yeah? And then what is 70? 70 divided by 2, 35. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. So 2 times 5 times 7, that's 70. But 18 divided by 2 is 9. It will be 91, yeah? 182 divided by 2 is 91. 91 divided by, it cannot divide by 2, it cannot divide it by 3, but it can divide by 7. 91 divided by 9 divided by 7 is 1, and reminder 2. 21 divided by 7 is 3, yeah? And now it will be 7 times 17, yeah? 7 times 17 is, no. Let's grab a line here and work out this one here. 91 divided by 7. 9 divided by 7, 1. Reminder 2. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So it's not 17, it is 13, yeah? So that will be 13, yeah? So 2 cancel 2, 7 cancel 7, and 70 over 182, the answer is 5 over 13. That is how it works, yeah? We have another question. That's more question to do. Okay. We have, he said, simplify this fraction, then state which fraction is not equivalent to the other two. We have here 6 over 8, and we have 9 over 15, and we have 15 over 25, yeah? This, we have 2 of this fraction are equivalent and 1 is odd. Okay, to simplify the first one, okay, it will be, if we divide by 2, it will be 3 over 4, and if we divide this one by 3, it will be 3 over 5, and if we divide here by 5, it will be 3 over 5. So we'll have this 2 are equal, and this one is a strange number. Is that okay? Okay. Now let us start another exercise. We have to talk about mixed number. What's meant by mixed number? Mixed number, it is something like if we say 1 and 5 over 12. This is mixed number. Mixed number, it means we have here this one, we call it a whole number, and this is numerator, and this is denominator. Yeah, so this 1 and 5 over 12 is a mixed number. Okay, to work out with mixed number, to add them and divide them or do all the 4 operations, we have to change them to improper fraction, to convert to improper fraction. What is the meaning of improper fraction? Improper fraction, if the numerator, it has to be bigger than the denominator. What does it mean? 12 times 1 is 12 at 5 is 17 over 12. 17 over 12, we call this improper fraction. That means 17 is higher, 17 is bigger than 12. 5 over 12 only, it's a proper fraction. When the numerator less than the denominator, we call it proper fraction. But vice versa, 17 over 12, we call it improper fraction. For example, if we have 10 and 3 over 10, this is, we call it mixed number. 10 times 10 is 100. At 3, it will be 103 over 10, and this is improper fraction. Okay. Now let us have some questions like write down the larger fraction in each pair. If we have 2 fractions like 3 over 5, comma, and we have 7 over 10. Okay, we have to find a common denominator between these two. This 10 is the multiple of 5. That will lead to, okay, how to make 5 10? We multiply by 2, it will be 10. If we multiply in the bottom by 2, we have to multiply in the top by 2. 3 times 2, it will be 6. And this one, 7 over 10. If we do the comparison between both of them, we'll say 7 over 10 is the bigger fraction. If we have another 2 over 3, and another fraction is 3 over 10, and another fraction 7 over 20. Okay, we need to find a common denominator between 3, between the 10, between the 20, so it have a common ground. What is the common? Let us say it's 30, comma, 30, comma, and 30. Okay, what did we do to the 3? To be 30, we multiplied by 10. 3 times 10 is 30. It means 2 times 10 is 20. And 10 times 3 is 30. So 3 times 3 is 9. And 20, no, 20, 30 is not a common, it's not a multiple of 30, so we have 60, yeah? 60, and 60, yeah? 60 divide, 3 times 20, 60, 2 times 20 is 40, and 10 times 6, 60, so 3 times 6 is 18, and 20 times 3 is 60, so 7 times 3 is 21. So which one is the bigger fraction? The bigger fraction is 40 over 60, and the second one 21 over 60, and the last one 18 over 60. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Yeah, that is how the way we work it out. Let's have another one. Which one? We have 9 over 10, 9 over 10, and 11 over 12, and 4 over 5. We need to find a multiple of 10 and 12 and 5. Someone can say 60, yeah, 60 as well. Yeah, 60 is a multiple of 10, multiple of 12, and multiple of 5. Yes. So it will be 60, comma, 60, comma, and 60. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 6 times 9, it will be, what 6 times 9? 50, 54. 60 divided by 12 is 5. 5 times 11 is 55. And 60 divided by 5 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. So what is the highest number in this? We have 54 over 60, that come number 1. And after that, 54 over 60, this is the second fraction. And the last fraction, this one. This is how it works. Adding fraction. Adding fraction, if we have a fraction, he said, for example, 5 over 6, add 9 over 10. Okay? What is the common denominator between 6 and 10? You remember LCM? LCM? Okay, 6, it means 2 times 3, and 10, that is 6. And 10 is equal to 2 times 5, so 2 is the HCF, so it's equal to 2 times what's left over, 3 times 5. If you don't understand, go back to section 1. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30, so we have 30 plus 30, and the answer is here 30. 30 divided by 6, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 25 and 27 give us 50, 52 over 30. And actually this is improper fraction. Yeah. Now we have another one. Let us have another fraction here. If we have 9 over 10 minus 5 over 6 plus 3 over 12. We need to find a common between 10 and 6 and 12. It seems to us 60 minus 60 plus 60, and the answer all, it will be 60. 60, the first one goes, the first one, 60 divided by 10, 6. 6 times 9 is 54, yeah? And the second one, 60 divided by 6, 10. 10 times 5 is 50. And 60 divided by 12, 5. 5 times 3 is 15, yeah? So, and the answer here, 54, take away 50, is 4, and 4, no, this we have to make this together, 50 plus 50, 15, it will be 65, 65, 54, 54, take away 65, yeah, the answer it will be, that is 1, and 1 minus 11 over 60. Yeah. Okay. Is that okay? Yeah. No. It's not. It's not that. That's wrong. Yeah. We have to add. What we do? We have to add this and this, and take away this. 54 take away 50 is 4. 54 take away 50, that is 4, yeah, and 4 plus 15, it will be 19 over 60. 19 over 60, yeah. Let us carry on. we go to improper fraction or mixed number. Yeah. If we have the questions is 3 and 1 over 5 plus 2 and 3 over 7. Okay, to make these two together, we have to find, to make them improper fraction, 3 times 5, 15, it will be 16 over 5, plus 2 times 7, 14, plus it will be 7, plus 3, 17 over 7. We need a common denominator between 5 and 7, that is 35, yeah, plus 35, and here we have 16, no, this is not yet, 35 divided by 5 is 7, 7 times 16, 7 times 16, 70, 112, yeah, that's 112, and 35 divided by 7, 5 times 17, 85, and the answer here it will be 5 add 2 is 7, 8 add 1 is 9, and 197 over 35. Yeah, someone, we can do it, we return it back to common or mixed number. We divide by 35, 35 into 197 is 5, and what is, because 5 times 35, 175, yeah, 175, and 7 take away 5 is 2, 9 take away 7 is 2, 22 over 35, and this is the answer. Yeah. What else? We can do 5 and 3 over 20 minus 1 and 7 over 12. Yeah. What we do, we can do it in different way. What is the common? We make it improper fraction. 20 times 5 is 100, 100 and plus 303 over 20 minus 12 times 1, 12, plus 7, it will be 19 over 12. The common denominator between 20 and 12 is 60. 60, and the answer is 60. 60 divided by 23, 3 times 103, it will be 309, yeah? And 60 divided by 12 is 5. 5 times 19 is 95. Okay, now what's 309? Take away 95. 9 take away 5 is 4. And 10 take away 9 is 1. 214 is the answer. 214, how many 16 in 214? 60, you can say 3, and the remainder 4, and 11 take away 8, it will be 3, 3 and 34 over 60. Now if we go for multiplying, it will be like this, 3 and 3 over 4 times 2 over 5. To perform the multiplication, we have to convert the first term or the first fraction to improper fraction. 3 times 4, 12, plus 3, 15 over 4, times 2 over 5. Now we can simplify. If we divide by 2 is 1. If we divide by 2 is 2. If we divide by 5 is 1. If we divide by 5 is 3. 3 times 1 equals 3, and 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 over 2. This is the answer. Let's have another one. 2, 4 over 9 times 3 over 8. We have to do perform this. We have to make the first term or the first mixed number to improper fraction. 2 times 9, 18 plus 4, it will be 22 over 9 times 3 over 8. Yeah. If we divide by 3 is 1 to simplify. If we divide by 3, it will be 3. If we divide by 2, it will give us 4. 22 divided by 2 give us 11. 11 times 1 is 11, and 3 times 4 equals 12, and this is the answer of the multiplication. We keep going. Now we go to division. Division is different than multiplication, but it's a bit similar. If we have, for example, let's have two equation 1 and 1 over 6 divided by a quarter. We do the same. We convert the mixed number to improper fraction. 6 times 1 is 6. Add 1, it will be 7 over 6. And the division sign, we change it to multiplication sign. And the second term, we do the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? We flip it. It will be, instead of 1 over 4, it will be 4 over 1. And and now we simplify. If we divide by 2, it will be 2. If we divide by 2, it will be 3. 7 times 2, 14. 14 divided by 3, it will give us 4. And remainder 2 over 3. And this is the answer. Let's take another question. 6 and 2 over 3 divided by 2 and 3 over 10. And that will be, change both of them to improper fraction. 6 times 3, 18, plus 2, it will be 20 over 3 divided by 10 times 2, 20, plus 3, it will be 23 over 10. That's equal, the first term we write it as it is, and the division we turn it to multiplication, and the reciprocal, yeah, that is the word, yeah, it will be 10 over 23. Now 200 times 10, 20 times 10 is 200, and 23 times 3, it will be 69. 69 divided by 200 divided by 69, it will be about 2, because this is, and the remainder 138. 2 times 69, 138, it will be 62 over 69. Yeah, that's it. That is the answer of the multiplication division. Yeah. Now only we have answer another question quick, without using the calculator. Write the following fraction in recurring decimal. That's, for example, 1 over 6. We divide 1 divided by 6. 1 divided by 6 is 0. 6 into 1 is 0. With 0 and decimal 1, we add 0. 10 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6, remainder 4, we add 0. 40 divided by 6 is 6, 6 times 6, 36, remainder 4, we add 0. It will be 6 again, 6 times 6 is 36, remainder 4, we add 0 and we carry on. So 1 over 6 is equal 0.1 recurring 6. It will be 666 till the end, yeah? And one of the last questions, some asked me, is there any chance about math word? Math word, if we do this, for example, if we have, for example, a rectangle like this, and this rectangle, yeah, is 3, the length 3 and 3 over 5, and the width 1 and 5 over 8. And he said this is the length of the rectangle and this is the width of the rectangle. Find the rectangle perimeter. Rectangle perimeter, it means 2 of this and 2 of this. It means 2 times 3 and 3 over 5 plus 2 times 1, 5 over 8, 2 outside, and then we add 3 and 3 over 5 plus 1 and 5, plus 1 and 5 over 8, yeah? We can work it like this. First of all, 2 times 3 and times 5, 15, and 3, 18 over 5. Add 8 times 1, 8, plus 5 is 13 over 8. What is the common denominator between 5 and 8? It will be 40. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 18, 80 and 64, it will be 144, plus 40 divided by 8, 5 times 13, 165, yeah? So is equal to 2 times 40 is here, 4 at 5 is 9, 6 at 4 is 10, 0 and carry 1, 2 and 1, 3, yeah? Yeah, is equal, we multiply again by 2, it will be 309, it will be 618, yeah? 618 divided by 40. Multiple of 40 for 9, 4 times 61 divided by 40 is equal, I think 15, 600, yeah, 15, and remainder 18 over 40, yeah? That is how it works. Now that's what's all about fraction. Thank you for listening and thank you for your approachability, and this is the end of our lesson. See you in another section. Thank you very much. Bye.